Hello guys, in this video I want to tell you how to work with Koleston Perfect from Wella. Koleston Perfect is a professional hair color based on ammoniac and which is still very popular between hairdressers. Let's take a look on the shadows. Here we have Pure Naturals series, which is mixing 1:1, one part of color with one part of peroxide. Here we have Rich Naturals series, the same mixing ratio. Here we have Vibrant Reds, Deep Browns, Special Blonde. With Special Blondes you can light up to 4 or 5 levels lighter. For example, here we have a natural hair on level 5. From this color, from this level, you can light up 10 levels up. For example, here we have level 5, you can reach level 10 with Special Blondes. With rest of colors, you can reach max 3 steps lighter. Here we have also Special Mix. Special Mix is a pure pigment which is made to mix with rest of colors to make the colors more intensive. And let's see the ratio. These 4 series are mixing one part of color with one part of peroxide. Peroxide from Wella, the name is Coleston. And here we have the Coleston, and usually they sell it in 1 liter bottle. Here we have the color. The color has 60 grams per tube. And here we have the Special Blondes series, which mix one part of color with 2 parts of peroxide. And now let's talk about peroxide. In which case, what percent of peroxide should we use? Here we have some rules, and these rules are working not only with Wella, but when you mix L'Oreal or other color from other companies. And we have to know that 6% of peroxide has power to make a hair lighter on 1 tone. 9% of peroxide has power to light the hair with 2 tones lighter, and 12% of peroxide can make a hair 3 tones lighter. Exception is for Special Blondes, because when you mix 9% with Special Blonde, then you can lift up 3 tones, make the hair 3 tones lighter. Or when you mix 12%, then you can light the hair with 4 or 5 tones lighter. And I also wanna show you how to read the number of colors. All time the first number before slash shows the level of tone. It means how dark or how light is the tone. Here we have in Wella it starts from level 2, tone 2 to level 11. The number after slash shows all time the shadow. For example, here we have number 1, which is ash. Here we have double 1. It doesn't mean that the number is 11, but it shows that is intensive ash, double times. double of ash. Here we have 1, 16, 1 and 6. That means the number is ash, violet. Here is number 3 is gold. So here you have all the shadows. Now let's see an example how to mix a color. Here we can say our customer or we want to reach this number, this color, which is number 804. The first number, as I say, it shows the level of color, and we can check one more time. Number 8 is level 8, which is light blonde, and 04 is the shadow, which is 0 is natural, 4 is red, natural red. The first number has all time more pigment than the second number. So here we have more gold and very little red. And let's see how to reach this number. All depend of our natural hair before we start mixing. We start the color. For example, if our hair is on level 5, then to reach level 8 we have to go up 3 steps. And as I said, to go up 3 steps we have to use 12% of peroxide. So in this case we take number 804 and mix it with 12% of peroxide. In case if our natural hair is lighter, as level 6 for example, then we mix 804 with 9% of oxidant to reach this color. And now let's see the second example, how to mix a color. Let's say that our natural hair is on level 6 and we wanna dye our hair in this color 9-1, which is light blonde ash. This is a cold color, and in this case we take 9/1 and mix it with 12% of peroxide. 12% because we have to light up 3 steps. And if we mix if we make this mix and color our hair, we are not going to reach this shadow. Why it's happened like that? It's happened because here we have a lightning curve, and every time when we light our hair, our natural hair get a lot of warm color. And in our case, when we are on level 9, after lightening, it's coming a lot of pale yellow, which is mixing with the shadow which we chosen before. So instead, to get a cold ash, the color is mixing it, and it can be a warm ash instead. What can we do in this case? In this case, we can use some number which is more, which has more cold pigment, like 911, or we can also use mixed tones. For example, 081. We can see here, when we have yellow, we have to put some opposites colors to neutralize the yellow color. And if we use, in our case, 0.81, then it will neutralize the yellow color, yellow shadow. And here we have the mixing calculation, how to mix these mix tones. Here we have the levels of tones. In our case we are on level 9, and this is the ratio, mixing ratio for 30 grams. So here we have level 9. We can mix some of mix tones, for example 0.81. When we have 30 grams of color, we can mix 2 centimeters of mixed tone, or 1 gram. When we mix 1 tube or 60 grams of color, then we can put 4 centimeters of mixed tone. And our color, in this case, our color will be more colder and closely to 9.1. And now I just want to show you the colors in better quality.